And then the MK party wants judges to be subjected to a lifestyle audit. And then Julius Malema was denied a visa into the UK while standing at the OR Tambo Terminal A International Airport. Oh, yesterday.
4:10. Wow! In the hour.
And then imagine singing about unaliving white people and then crying when the other white people deny you access to their country. And then when Queen Elizabeth II passed away, the EFF, under the leadership of Julius Malema, issued a media statement that said, and I quote, "We do not mourn the death of Queen Elizabeth." Hello, GNU Unfiltered. In today's video, we're going to talk about Julius Malema, who revealed to us all on his own, unprovoked, that the British authorities have denied me a visa to London for the Cambridge conference this weekend, providing no substantial justification. It is clear to me that this is an attempt to silence a dissenting political perspective. We are currently at the OR Tambo airport as we were promised that everything would be sorted by 3:30 p.m. Instead, we're receiving a regret letter just 4 hours before our international departures time. This is unacceptable and spineless. And then we have the Amandla symbol, or should I say emoji, okay? Now, then I went into the comment section. It's inside the comment section, Pagati, where it kind of got wild because Lorraine says, "Oh, the audacity. Julius Malema, the man who glorifies dictators, sings about unaliving the Boer, and trashes the West at every rally, is now whining because the UK won't let him in. You've spent years vomiting anti-West, anti-white, anti-everything rhetoric, and now suddenly you're shocked when doors start closing. This isn't oppression, it's consequences. You don't get to insult democracies and then act like a victim when they don't want you on their soil. The UK isn't your stage for racial incitement and political theater. Maybe they've had enough of your Marxist cosplay and revolutionary cosplay. You wanted a revolution, Julius. Well, now, welcome to reality. No visa, no platform, no sympathy."
I don't get into trouble. I cause it. Yeah, I take a decision that will cause trouble now.
And on the comments went. I tell you, another comment says, "Consequences of his actions," okay? Another comment says, "You were expecting CIC to succumb? Why? Never. Julius Malema is not Ramaphosa. He is not desperate to express himself politically in the United Kingdom." Another comment goes on to say, "Shame, he's a cry baby." Another comment says, "Denying Malema a visa hours before his flight is not just petty, it's imperial pettiness at Olympic level. Next time, just hang a no freedom of thought allowed sign at Heathrow." And then another comment says, "Lapha obuyaphi vele, hlala phansi, Cambridge yani leyo." Another comment says, "Imagine singing about unaliving white people and then crying when other white people deny you access to their country." And then somebody says, "No substantial justification." And this comment ends with, "Who's going to tell him?" Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Should the UK have granted Julius Malema his visa into the UK so he can go to Cambridge? And then another comment says, "After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb." Nelson Mandela. I'm going to end it right here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. should the United Kingdom have honored Julius Malema with a visa to enter the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on my next upload.